Now that I have applied the headings, these headings can help us in creating a table of contents. Click here on References, click on Table of Contents. Pick whichever you want. I'm going to take this first one, Automatic. And now the table of contents will be created automatically. Notice I have level A, considerations about security, then general observations. Notice it's level 2 right below it. It has put the page numbers automatically. If for some reason you go and change one of those levels, let's say in here I change this to heading number 1. Once you make changes, whether to the page numbers or to the headings, you can update the table of contents by going here to the table of contents, click once on it, and then choose Update Table. And then you choose to update the entire table. Notice this just changed.